las rayas, antes de inflar la llanta. Parece que ya se va a acomodar.
You're only on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter more than you'd like. So are we. No matter what app you're on, we're at Shaman 1075.
For 25 years, Care Oregon has been the health plan Oregonians count on to be there when they need it most. We live here. We grew up here. So it matters to us that our neighbors have health and opportunity. Like housing, fresh food, education, and more. When you are stronger, we are all stronger. That's the Care Oregon effect. Learn how to apply at careoregon.org/OHP.
Start your barbering career at Vegas Academy School of Beauty in Vancouver. Offering various programs from barber, aesthetics, hair design, makeup, and manicures. Call 360-694-8488. Online at myvegasacademy.com.
Have you ever dreamt of waking up first thing in the morning and not having to reach for your glasses to see the clock? Well, stop dreaming about seeing better and call TLC Laser Eye Centers today. TLC is offering a free LASIK consultation and $650 off LASIK. Just imagine being able to have 20/20 vision in 2020. No more of the daily hassles and expenses of glasses and contacts is possible. LASIK made for you. Only at TLC. For over 25 years,
Estas llantas
Eye Centers have been North America's leading
de
laser eye surgery provider, helping over 1
carros.
million people see better with LASIK. In fact, over 10,000 doctors have trusted TLC for their own
Entonces,
eyes. Make 2020 your year
vamos a
with LASIK
proceder
made for you. Only at TLC.
a
Book your free consultation at
echarle
TLC
aire
today and get $650 off
para
your
ver
LASIK
si vuelta
procedure. Call 888-TLC
rebota el
2020. That's
famoso
888-852-2020. Or book online at tlcvision.com. Individual results may
Voy a
vary.
prender mi compresor, oirán un poco de ruido.
Because Wendy's is now serving up breakfast, and it's gonna be America's favorite. I just don't know it yet. A few of my favorite things. We're talking freshly cracked eggs, oven cooked bacon. How did I even do mornings before this breakfast goodness? Come into Wendy's to try our new breakfast baconator, the frosty chino, and the honey buttered chicken biscuit. See you in the morning. You up for this? At Sierra, we know how much getting outside means to you, and we can help you spend even more time outside thanks to big savings on the apparel, footwear, and gear you need for hiking, running, kayaking, yoga, or just spending some quality time with your dog. And while you're at Sierra, pick up a water bottle. With all that activity planned, you really should hydrate. Epic brands, vast selection, teeny tiny prices. That's Sierra. Shop your local Sierra stores in the Portland region. Sierra is part of the TJ Maxx family.
You know who really loves fresh food? Amateur chefs, barbecuers, smorgasborders, snackers, bakers, and throw it in the microwavers. At Fred Meyer, you can get all the fresh you want at a great price with same-day pickup and delivery. Because we believe in fresh for everyone.
Fred Meyer is now hiring, with immediate openings available to help keep our stores open and stocked. Apply today at jobs.
Mike, can you pick me up? My car just got towed for no insurance.
Nancy, why don't you have insurance?